So this just arrived yesterday. It's been set up. We've put grounds or beans into this, and it's been cleaned, and everything should be ready to go. And now we are going to make our very first espresso shots from our new machine.
What's the name of the machine?
It's a Breville dual boiler, and this is a dose control grinder.
Okay.
Breville also.
Nice.
Well, it looks like I didn't get all the stuff off of it.
So how does this work?
Well, I haven't worked it yet, but we'll see. Okay, so first I want to put hot water through this. So I'm going to go ahead and hit.
Hold on, where do you put the hot water?
The hot water's already in back.
Right.
You can add hot water here, or you can take the tank out the back and fill it. Okay, so let's go ahead and heat it up just by putting some hot water through it.
Quite noisy.
That's the way most of them sound. When you get up to the ones that are about $2,500, they have a different kind of pump in them, but this one is not that spendy. Okay.
Not that spendy, huh?
No, it's not $2,500. Okay, so I'll get the water out of it. It's nice and warm, so the thermal mass won't suck the heat out of the espresso. Now, let's try this. Okay, that's not going to be enough.
So it doesn't automatically know how much to put in?
I have to program it,
I see.
which I haven't done yet because I don't know how long that's going to be.
That's a lot.
We shall see if it's a lot. Okay, so and this is not espresso grind, this is French roast, so it will be slightly different.
Okay. So we need to get some
Espresso beans.
Okay.
Okay, so tamp it.
Come here. How hard do you have to press?
They say to press it about 30 to 40 pounds. Okay, now I have too much in here.
And you know by?
Just by looking at it, I can tell that there's too much in here. But they furnish us a tool.
Oh, how about that?
Which isn't in here. I'll have to go find it.
Just scoop it up with a spoon then?
No, because that thing makes it flat as well as making the right amount. So let me go see if I can find it real quick.
저희 신랑이 질렀습니다. 저는 한 300불, 400불 선 최대.
What's that, honey?
I'm speaking in Korean.
Oh. Okay, so this This, I believe, is the one for 58. Yes. So you take this, and I've done quite a bit more here than I'm gonna put it in here so when I make the next one.
Oh, so you scoop it like that, huh?
See, I had
Too much.
way too much in there.
화장실.
Okay, so let me tamp it down again.
It's gonna be a sun. Oui.
Yes. Now, you probably want a little sweetener in here.
Kitchen is a mess.
Now, normally, people don't stir.
Right.
Okay, but I didn't get that mixed in real good.
Oui.
It's an oak tree or a mushroom cloud. Okay.
My husband's first espresso.
My first espresso with our new machine. Okay.
한번 맛을 보겠습니다. I'm gonna taste. 우와! Oui!
Sweet?
No, too strong.
Okay.
But that's I guess espresso. 맛은 좋아요. It's really good. It's really good.